a male polar bear, in search of his next meal on the frozen fjords of Svalbard in the high Arctic. He's looking for seals, which make up the bulk of his diet. He must eat 2/3 of the food he needs for the whole year before the ice melts and his hunting platform disappears. The ringed seal mother had no choice but to leave her pup alone on the surface. In the past, she would have built a den inside a ridge on the ice. But now the sea freezes so late that the ice is flat, and she had to leave her pup out in the open. This new, flatter ice makes life difficult for the bears too. There's nowhere for them to hide in order to creep up on a seal. And for a mother with a young cub in tow, being stealthy isn't easy. The cub doesn't yet appreciate the need for care when sneaking up on a seal. With fewer seals hiding in dens, learning this pounding technique, once so useful, is now almost pointless. Still, at least he's discovered what a seal hole looks like.